This is a really unique customizable binder. It might look a little bit plain just being black, but let me show you a nice little trick. If you don't like this recipe graphic, which I don't, you just push it up like that, and then you can slide into it a photograph of your grandkids or your family or your dog or whatever inspires you to cook. Or if you want, you can just grab one of these little cards right here. They're perforated and they just peel out, and throw the rest of them away and insert that in here. So whatever you like. It includes a nice little conversion chart and a nice set of recipe cards and some recipe card dividers. It's all black and white, which is very nice because it has a little bit more of a formal look, and black pretty much matches every single kitchen out there. So if you're giving it to somebody who you're not sure what their taste really lean towards, this isn't a bad option because they can personalize it themselves and make it their own binder, and the rest of it will match their kitchen anyway.